Mm. Mm. Some Latvians celebrate Christmas because Jesus was born on this day a very long time ago in unsanitary conditions. Other Latvians celebrate Christmas because the days are getting longer and there is a chance to see more sunlight in 6 months from now. But whatever it is, all Latvians can basically agree that the reason why Christmas is celebrated is not that important. What is important is that the Christmas is a reason to eat. God damn. The middle of winter is absolutely the best time when to eat this high calorie, high carbohydrates food like rosols and piragi. When else can you do it? This thing does not survive when it's 35 degrees outside in the summer. So stuff yourself with this thing up to the limit and spend 3 days on the sofa moaning and unable to move. That is the closest thing you can do to hibernation, actually. If you don't do that, and if you don't overeat during the Christmas time and you don't get fat, what is your New Year's resolution is going to be? Are you going to start the New Year's with nothing to achieve? Think and eat.